Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 5. It is a snow day. I don't work in a school anymore, but I do get kids on the bus in the morning, so I didn't have to get up at 5:30 to go get them on the bus. So yeah, I got to sleep in, but Dylan still has to go to work, so he's outside shoveling right now. It is a winter wonderland. Like, it is so bad. I feel so bad. I should be out helping him. Oh my gosh, is he wearing his sneakers? Oh no, he has his boots on. I am going to throw on a pair of sweatpants over my leggings and go help him because it really, yeah, right? It really stinks that he has to work today. So might as well have 2 people doing it instead of 1. Okay, yeah, I have winter boots. So I'm gonna go outside and help him shovel and then come in and have breakfast. I already put a load of laundry in, which my room is a disaster. It has laundry everywhere because I separated it all. Also, I got self-tanner on our white comforter last night, so that's sweet. If anyone ever wanted a white comforter, don't get one. I've always wanted one, and it's just like anxiety about getting stuff on it and then getting mad when stuff gets on it. So okay, so my dad's out snowballing now, so Dylan's car was able to get out, and he just had some breakfast. But I just wanted to say that, well, first of all, I'm gonna have breakfast now, but I was trying to wait because I'm so behind on people's YouTube videos, and I was trying to watch them all before I started watching Vlogmas videos. But guys, Alex and Michael's Vlogmas is the best Vlogmas, and I'm going to watch it while I eat breakfast, and I'm so excited. I also was shook by Alicia Marie's behind the scenes. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. I'm so excited to see her intros. Obviously Aspen and Parker, Emma, Gretchen, Maggie. That's Maggie. Who else? Remy, I've been catching up on her videos. Yeah, so pretty much I have all of these to catch up on. Brooke, Kaylee, Nat, so many to catch up on, but I'm going to watch Alex and Michael's day 1 while I eat some breakfast. I'm just doing a little arm workout at home because I don't want to drive and go to the gym, and then I think I'm gonna go through my closet. So that's today's goal. Alright guys, it is time to take on this mess. So I don't really have a plan. I just feel like we don't always need everything in our closet. And it's been a minute since I went through mine. I think I went through it right before summer. No, end of summer. I don't know, but I'm gonna go through all of these because I definitely don't wear all these clothes and hopefully get rid of a few things. Oh my gosh, it's snowing again. Look at this. Talk about a freaking winter wonderland. Am I right? Wow. Died. I'm gonna plug it in right now and I will let you guys know where I'm at when it's charged, but right now this is what we're working with. This is the pile I'm getting rid of. I never wear this cardigan. It's just like too long. I don't wear it. I haven't worn this vest in like 3 years. I've never worn this cardigan. This has just got to go. I do not wear it anymore. Don't wear it. I've never worn this shirt. Like, these things just need to go. I've been holding on to them and it's time. This is just like, well, this I don't know what to do with because I really like it, but I don't wear it. Like, it's literally like wearing a blanket, and I was thinking maybe I could wear it to ice skating tomorrow, but I don't know. So I might keep that, but like not in my closet. All of this, gotta go through it all my dresses and stuff. If you saw, I was making a pile over here of just stuff I'm gonna bring on the cruise, just to take it out of my closet for now. Hangers, everything I've gotten rid of, and It's looking a lot slimmer, which is nice. But I still need to go through my jackets and vests, which I'm keeping all of that. I just want to make it look not like this. So yeah, I'm gonna charge my camera and keep working. Things are looking a lot better. And I feel like I've just been vlogging in my room all day, but that's where I've been all day. So this is the closet situation. My scarves are actually on my bed right now. I'm gonna wash all of those. And then these are Dylan's shirts that he has hanging up. I left a few dresses that could be like wintry, I guess, so like one. Some pants, then I have tank tops here. Most of them I have set away to bring on the cruise. More tank tops, t-shirts, all of that. I really just set aside tank tops and like a dress and a sweatshirt for the cruise. I haven't gone through everything. T-shirts, then more like longer sleeve dressier shirts, long sleeves. I have a sweatshirt and a workout jacket, and then we get into like sweaters, cardigans, jackets. I'm washing, except for this one, I'm washing my vests, and then back here I have like a nicer jacket, my blazer, and some nicer like dress jackets, I guess you could call them. I don't know, they're kind of like dressy-ish. And then I just have my caps and gowns back there. So that's the situation there. That's a mess. That's like Christmas presents and stuff for the cruise, stuff they ordered too. And then, oh, and this stuff is stuff I'm going to sell on Poshmark. So if you want to check out my Poshmark, I will leave it on the screen right here because I don't know my username off the top of my head. But this is like a whole other day to tackle, especially right there. As I said, I was going to wash my scarves. So now I think I'm going to go have some lunch. I look dead. I swear I put self-tanner on my face yesterday and it's still pale as ever. But I'm going to go have some lunch and then put that stuff on Poshmark. Dylan said they might be closing early, his work, so he might be coming home because it's snowing again. We're supposed to get 3 to 5 more inches tonight and 1 to 3 tomorrow, so I don't know if there's gonna be no school tomorrow too. I don't have to work tomorrow, right? Yeah, but I do need to get my car registered and I want to go out and do a few things, so hopefully the roads will be okay. Just in time to put the clothes away.
Not really. Fun.
I already put most of them away, but there, don't worry, there's more! So all of our laundry is done, and for those of you who don't know, it's still nice staying in my one little bedroom that barely fits all of my clothes. So while I need to lay down and put stuff on Poshmark, I think I'm going to clear out the bottom drawer of this dresser and let him have a little more space because we don't have any space. We have literally all of my sweaters and some of our sweatshirts right here, but not even all of our sweatshirts fit. So I'm going to do that, and then I will be done for the day. I think it's like, is it 2? It's 1:50. So yeah, and then I'm gonna lay down, post on Poshmark, start some editing. Maybe not even edit. I might just wait to edit till after dinner. But yeah, I'm gonna clean that out now. Oh, you're really backlit. Hold on. Hey babe,
What's up?
open the bottom drawer.
Oh, which one?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Ow. Sweet. Hey! How you doing? Can I help you?
You can have it till I have to put my shorts and skirts back in there.
Word. Thanks, babe.
Sure. Guys, it's out in the snow!
Oh no!
We're going for a drive. Look, how pretty. Wait, babe, come here. He's gonna kill me. I need a thumbnail. Guys, it's a winter wonderland. It's so pretty, but so cold.
32 degrees. Just cold enough to be snow.
Everything looks prettier with snow.
Trees look prettier with snow.
Yeah, careful this UPS truck.
A great spot to pull over there.
Oh, this next road's gonna be gorge. So pretty. Don't live in Maine, this is what winter looks like. Snowy!
Snowy. Cold. Crappy.
Hey, you know they called the wind in Frozen Gale. That was the wind's name.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
It's gales.
Did I say where we were going? We're going to Cumbies.
Yeah. No, you didn't say we're.
But-
You said we're running an errand. Like something like that.
Well, running to Cumbies just to get something, and I haven't been outside yet today, so this is my great outing of the day. What? You're gonna say something?
No, you came outside this morning for a second.
That's true, I did come out to shovel for a second. But I've been inside all day. Hi guys, so I meant to film, but we did have dinner. We had some salad and soup and rolls. It was really good. Excuse me. I've been trying to figure out Dylan's computer because it wasn't letting me import any more footage, but I figured out that it's like here. I figured out that iPhoto was holding all of my deleted videos, so I deleted them all, and now there's so much storage. So I should probably go on my own laptop and do that because it's full. But yeah, I'm editing the vlog now that you are watching, so I'm going to end it here. I hope you guys liked today's vlog. Happy Vlogmas day 5, I think. Yeah, I think this is day 5. Also, I was editing and I never like brought to your attention, well, you've probably noticed because I noticed my palm is so tan. I self-tanned yesterday and apparently I got it on my palm. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Look out for a new one tomorrow, Vlogmas day 6, and follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole with 2 A's and 2 E's, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.